This is an advertisement from Build-A-Bear Workshop. Stay tuned to Sloth Dance.
And also, eat like a sloth. Welcome back to the workshop with Lindsey
And Darren. Today we are creating a totally new sloth challenge.
Everyone can dance to a song, but how slow can you go?
Or can you do a high five or a high three like a sloth? So slow.
So today we're gonna be playing rock, paper, scissors.
But in sloth speed.
Okay, Aaron, I challenge you to a game of rock, paper, scissors, but of course, we have to go as slow as possible.
Oh no, if I pick the wrong one, it's gonna be so hard not to want to change.
Right? Well, you can't, so let's try it.
Ready?
Yep.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoe. Wait, rock, paper, scissors, shoe. Shoe.
No, I lost.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Faster speed is way easier than sloth speed.
Definitely. I think it's time for some food.
Let's do it. Now we get to eat some food sloth style. And during this challenge, we encourage sloth hands. All you have to do is put your pinky and your thumb down like this.
So, first up for today, chips. It's hard to eat slow because everyone thinks something to eat fast.
So next up, a big sandwich.
You look like a sloth when you're holding the grip. It's hard to control it.
Yep, try to do one finger on the top. Open, and boom.
Oh. Here. Here, I got you. Oh, you got this. But no, you have to go slow.
How do I do this?
Okay.
All right, let's unswirl it.
Perfect.
How do you do it, buddy?
Yeah, help us. I figured out your secrets. It's the berry. You're probably gonna get a brain freeze.
Wait, eat this? It's gonna drip. No! We have so much energy. Now it's time for sloth dancing.
Totally agree. Are you ready to dance sloth style?
Of course I am.
Hit it, DJ Sloth.
Sorry, he moves at sloth speed.
Thanks for playing with us today.
Make sure to subscribe to Build-A-Bear TV so you can watch the next episode of the workshop when it comes out.
And as a reminder, this was advertising from Build-A-Bear Workshop.
Good.